My life as a mechanic started for me in Waukomis, Oklahoma, standing around in the back of my grandfather's Ford garage, hoping that one of the mechanics would share just a little piece of information about how to fix a car. Those were the formative years. Well, I suppose my fascination with classic cars has never faded. Now I can't believe it. I've been here 40 years at the same location working on old cars, and I can't wait to get to work every day just to learn something new and to share that with someone in the shop. I've heard some fantastic stories in my shop. Think about the car that you first drove to high school, or that pickup that you hauled hay in when you were growing up. Corvettes, MGs, T-Birds, GTOs, pickups, Broncos, and Jeeps, just to name a few. I never lost my enthusiasm for classic cars. And I hope that over the years that I'll be able to help you with your cars and teach you something about how to work on your automobile. My name is Barry Wilson. Family man, classic car enthusiast, certified mechanic, and your guide under the hood of your favorite classic car. Good morning, Barry Wilson at Wilson Auto Repair. We're working on a 69 Firebird. Lots of work's been done on this car, but we're down kind of to the short rows, as they say out there on the farm. And we got into the doors and had to put door locks and trunk locks so the key would match up and the doors would unlock. And when we were in there, we found other issues, starting with the door latch. The door latch was sticking, and you couldn't get the door to unlock very well without cleaning the latch. So you can see here in the video that we had to use an impact hammer to get the screws loose. And if you need an impact hammer, that's a great thing to have for your shop. Look at my website. We have ways you can find those tools online and save yourself a lot of time. How they work is you put the impact hammer on the screw and you hit it with a hammer, and it tries to knock that screw loose, and usually works pretty well for something like that. So we took the latch out, and it was all gummed up. And you'll see in the video here that we took it over to our parts washer and cleaned all the stuff out of it and lubed it up and made it work properly so it would lock and unlock, and then hooked up the rod that goes to the push button in the door so that we can unlock and lock it from the inside. As you would imagine, as we're working on this door, we spot more and more problems. And the next thing we noticed was the door stop, where you see these two bolts, was misadjusted, and the window did not go all the way to the top, didn't work properly. So we loosened the stops up in numerous places and rolled the window up and down until the window actually touched the top of the weather strip on the top of the convertible top of the car. Once we got that done, we tightened all the bolts back up, made sure it worked up and down properly, that it rolled smoothly, lubed all the different components, and made that window work perfectly so it'll seal up when he's driving down the highway. Hey, there are some special tools that you can use to remove the door panel. You saw the impact hammer that we used. Sockets, wrenches, things of that nature are all available on our website at wilsonauto.com. Go there and look at our tools section. You may find something there you'd like to buy for your shop. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair.